Welcome! In front of me I have OPPO band, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this Smartband from the Android phone. First, we need to open the HeyTap Health application on our phone. In the application, you should see the health page by default. Now, tap on the Manage icon. Now you should see the OPPO band device page. As you can see, the OPPO band is connected to our phone. Then scroll down. Tap on the More option, then tap on Unpair, and tap on Unpair to confirm. And as you can see now, the OPPO band disappeared from the list, or rather from the device Manage page. It's empty. And our band. Also on the band, if you wake up the screen and swipe, I believe, or tap on the watch face, you will see that the Bluetooth icon is grayed out. Right here, that means that the device is unconnected from a phone. You can also open the settings on your phone and then open the Bluetooth settings to make sure that the OPPO band is gone from this list of connected devices to your phone. If it's not, you can tap on the settings icon next to it. For example, I'm gonna tap on Realme here, but you need to tap on the next settings icon next to OPPO band, then tap on Forget, and then tap on Forget Device to confirm. And once you remove the OPPO band from the list of connected devices in Bluetooth, that means that you're completely unpaired the Smartband from your Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.